Hi, I'm Bill Mandra from Options Technology, and I'm here today with Jesus from Equinix.
Happy to be here.
So we actually have special permission to be in NY3 today, which is the newest expansion into Secaucus.
It is quite unique, but Options is a great partner of Equinix. It's a relationship that works for both. Equinix provides the environment, and Options provides all the engineering and the demand for making it all work for the financial sector.
And we're actually on the sky bridge that connects NY4 to NY3 on our way over. Kind of a unique feature of the facility.
It is. We are kind of expanding on the success of NY4, connecting it with the next phase capacity right next door.
Awesome. Let's go take a look inside.
Let's do it.
So, obviously Equinix NY3 phase 1 opened up about a year ago, completely sold out, lots of demand. How's Equinix balancing that customer demand versus the construction speed of bringing the facility online?
Equinix is managing the spike in demand with basically accelerating, overall acceleration of builds, but also we're uniquely positioned to do so.
When complete, how big will NY3 be compared to NY4?
NY3 full build is going to be about a little over 50 megawatts, comparison to NY4, which is only 20 megawatts. NY3 is actually going to double the capacity of Equinix in this campus if you combine NY4, NY2, NY5, and NY6.
Cool. Can we take a look inside the colo area?
Yeah, let's do it.
So Jesus, I've heard NY3 kind of refers to as the next gen data center for Equinix. What sets NY3 apart?
NY3 is considered the next generation data center by Equinix, mainly because of the difference in densities. Historically, the densities fluctuate between 2 to 6 kW per cap. NY3 is going to be able to deliver 11 kW, so more than double once the full build is complete. And it will also provide 10 megawatts of liquid cooling capacity, which is also new around the campus. Another difference in our design compared from NY3 to NY4 is the hot aisle versus cool aisle design. At NY4, it is a cool aisle design where you got cool air being flooded right over the cabinets, while at NY3, we have these air handler units that are pushing cold air and flooded the entire area, and then just you have a hot aisle containment right above the cabinets that basically sucks all the hot air from the cabinets above ceiling, circulates it over the ceiling, and then it gets cooled again through the air handling units and pushed back into the space.
That's obviously a more efficient design.
Definitely much more efficient.
So Jesus, we're actually inside of what will eventually become phase 3 of NY3. How are we doing on timelines for NY3?
So the overall timeline for NY3 started with phase 1, which we turned over September of 2024. We're currently in the process of turning over phase 2. Phase 2, we're projecting to turn over 5 megawatts before the end of this year. We have another 7 megawatts of capacity being turned over third quarter of 2026. And then we'll roll into phase 3, which we are scheduled to finish by the end of 2028 for an additional 26 megawatts of capacity. It's an incredible acceleration of 4 years on just this project alone.
Jesus, thanks again for taking time today to show us around NY3. It was really good to not only see kind of what's coming online now, but also what's going to be coming online in the future, 2027 and beyond.
Yeah, absolutely. My pleasure. Welcome back anytime.
Thank you.
Around.